The back tire on the M365 scooter. First thing I did is I wedged it up a little bit. I got it up so I got a little stand up on it. You're gonna need 2.5mm and a 4mm Allen wrench. I also have these. I got a razor blade there to get the sticker off and something to wedge the tire off. What I did was get the reflective sticker off. You're gonna save the sticker, so put it in a safe place with the other one. Next, 2.5mm. Gonna get that off. There's two of them. One and two. Okay, that comes off. Then we got a 4mm right in here. Untwist this up. Alright, take the 4mm off. Be careful not to lose any of the washers. There's two of them on there. A smaller one and a bigger one. 4mm removed. The tire will just slide out. As you can see, it's grooved. As you can see how that nut right there has a groove in it. You might find it easy just to remove this. They're 5.3mm, so because you're going to be kind of working with this thing around and pushing it down. Then, but these are sided. There's an arrow that the tire has to go on, or the direction it's going to move. So I marked it with chalk. Next, deflate the tire completely. This one happens to be 100% deflated. To get the wheel started, you're going to push in on this side like that. But first squeeze in on here and then wedge it off like that, because this you can kind of push into the channel. Alright, next we're prying the tire up. I don't have a plastic piece, so I'm using a cloth handkerchief. Also, you want to use two knives to pry it off. That helps. So what I've been doing is sticking the screwdriver in there and then stuffing the handkerchief beneath the rim and the screwdriver, and then I'm prying up. And as you can see, it's coming loose. Once you get about halfway around, you can just pull the tire completely around and off. And the tube out is, I just pushed it all the way over, and I'm just taking my fingers and scraping it out. Okay, once I've scraped it out, I'm pulling it down. So push that in all the way. I pumped it up, and sure enough, I can hear it and feel it, and just pick the tire up like this. You can see you got room to kind of feed the new tire in there. Okay, we set it in place. Actually went in there very easily and the valve stem through the hole, and then use your thumb to push down, push it through. Pry the tire on there. Just like any tire, if you see that if you lift it and you get it in that groove, you can put more play and get it around the rim easier. I'm using my knee kind of to hold it and just pushing it down, squeezing it together. I stick my screwdriver under and then I pry up. I use the cloth so I don't scratch the rim or... Okay, we did it. Pull this out. Over there, make sure this valve stem is straight, poking straight. Put our tire back in. As you can see, there's a groove. You'll notice you don't tighten this 4mm bolt too tight. Make sure the wheel can spin freely.